Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing Escape the Car Wash Obby. So here we are at the car wash. I don't even know how this is a car wash, but okay. So here we go. Oh, there's what do you call them? Sponges. Now we have soap. I don't know why they would use soap on a car wash. So I don't know what this is. Is it like water maybe? Okay, next we're gonna have to climb up this ladder and go onto these shelves here. That should be pretty easy. Okay, here we go. Keep going. Jump, jump into the vent. Okay. Oh, these are fans? Why would fans be in here? Uh-oh, I died. Oof. Okay, so we're gonna spawn here. Wait for it. Wait for it. Got it. There we go. Wait for it again. Okay. Almost there. There we go. So it looks like we're gonna do a maze. I don't really like mazes. They're really challenging. This way? Maybe? No. I don't think it's this way. Okay, where am I going? So over here. Maybe this way? I don't know. Okay, so let's go over here. Probably gonna be a dead end. Yeah, it's a dead end. So maybe we should go that way. Yeah, maybe? No. Okay, that's a dead end. Should we go this way, maybe? Yeah, maybe. Okay, let's see. Nope, it's a dead end. I feel like I'm going in circles. Maybe over here? Is this where we started? Yep, it's where we started. Okay. Maybe let's go left this time. Over here maybe. Should go this way? Is this way a dead end? Yeah, it's a dead end. So maybe go this way. Try over here. Maybe we should try going right this time. Maybe? No, it's a dead end. I feel like I'm in the same spot. Okay, so let's go this way this time. And let's make sure... Oh, it's a dead end again. Man, too many dead ends. So let's go this way. And then right. No, let's go left. Maybe left will be right this time. I'm gonna go this way. Try going left. No, right. And then going left. Okay, so it looks like we're here, maybe? Yup. Where is this in the car wash? Let's see. Oh, I think he ate us. Ew, we're in his mouth. So, what are these? His blood vessels or something? Okay, let's go over here. Is this his stomach? Looks like he swallowed hot dogs and all that. Okay, so there's some kind of lasers. I don't know what this is in your body, but... So these are his ribs, pretty long ribs to tell you the truth. Okay, and now we're in his business. Okay, let's see where this leads to. Gotta jump. Okay, so we're good. So there's some more soap and sponges. Okay, so some spikes. Is this from the car wash maybe? Looks like this is water. How did they make water to go in a powder like that? So what's in here? There's some lasers on the stairs. Okay. Climb up the ladder here. I wonder, oh, are these the electricity cords? We went from car wash to electricity. Oh, man, I missed it. Oh, that's a bummer. You know that time when you're almost there and you just die? I hate that feeling. Okay, so let's keep going here. I wonder where this leads to. Maybe down there? Not sure. And then we could go over here. And then, where are we supposed to go? Oh, down there. Can we just jump down there? Okay, yeah, we can. So, what are these? Are these like pieces of the road that still are good? I don't know. Is this a speed run? I feel like it's a speed run. Yep, I was right. Oh, here we go. Are we supposed to go this way? No, we're supposed to go the other way. Keep going. Yay, we made it. We escaped. Yay. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.